Polkadot is showing a projected increase of 4% by June 27, based on coin price forecast. Let's take a quick glance at today's market situation. Right now, Polkadot is showing a daily loss of 5.9% and sits close to $0.837. Let's transition to the analyst section. Coin price forecast gives a forecast of an 87 cents by tomorrow, which would be 4% above today. Polkadot may strengthen toward an 85 cents per Gov Capital collector, showing a gain of about 1.5%. CoinDataFlow points out the price could rise to $0.844, about 0.9% above current value. Another forecast from CoinLore indicates Polkadot could approach $0.839, an expected rise of about 0.3%. To finish 30 rates aims for $0.802 by tomorrow. That's 4.1% under today's price. This is the most rewarding forecast in this set. That's 5 different outlooks covered. Let's keep going. Let's move forward from the outlooks to the quantitative part. Based on the collected data from each expert, the expected market range is from a decline of 4.1% to a rise of 4%, depending on the analyst. The final takeaway is that 30 rates expects the top return with 4.1% gain in value by tomorrow. Put simply, you could earn between $3 and $41 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility taken into account, CoinLore's forecast indicates the most likely movement, with a 94.1% chance of success. From the full range of forecasts, I've drawn a unified consensus outlook. Consensus modeling shows Polkadot staying close to $0.841, remaining largely flat. Let's crack this open. The consensus scenario points to a 0.5% price increase under the current outlook. Said simply, your capital could also climb by 0.5% along with the same change. For every 1,000, that could suggest a potential increase of $5. According to the consensus assessment, the odds of this projection being realized are near 93.5%. At this point in the video, let's uncover the 3-day scenarios analysts anticipate. Coin price forecast points to a bullish course in the days ahead. Additionally, Gov Capital Collector highlights that Polkadot could head higher. Also, CoinDataFlow projects an ascending trajectory for Polkadot. CoinLore expects a bearish continuation. Meanwhile, 30 rates expects Polkadot to head lower. The consensus supports an outlook of Polkadot moving higher. Summing up, 60% of projections indicate a tilt to the upside for Polkadot. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's check how accurate they turned out. Ultimately, the result was a close at $0.843. 3 of 5 forecasts lined up with the real market direction. The highest accuracy outlook was delivered by Traders Union. Time to set things straight. The candle limits contained 2 forecasts. And about ROI, a few profitable outcomes appeared, topped by digital coin price with 7.2%. Here's the full recap. The complete breakdown of the results in one view. Looking at the summary, coin price forecast registered -7.2% ROI and $0.077 accuracy. Look and see who stayed closest to the real price movement. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's projected performance in percentage terms compares for Polkadot and the others. Here Polkadot trails behind while Ethena takes the lead, showing 2.2% in forecasted returns. We're looking at a limited group of 5 coins, and a wider range of crypto forecasts is already on my website. If you're tracking Polkadot regularly, leave a like to get more updates like this one. Stay safe and see you soon.